In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word not saving files full guide. If Microsoft Word cannot save your document in Windows, this issue can be frustrating, especially when you have important work that you do not want to lose. In this guide, we will go through several steps that can help resolve common saving problems. First, try saving the file with a new name. Start by clicking File in the top left corner of the Word window. From the menu, select Save As. Choose a different folder where you want to save the document, then enter a new file name. Finally, click Save. Saving the document with a different name can sometimes bypass an issue with the original file. If that does not work, try saving the document to a different location. Click File again and select Save As. This time, choose another location, such as the desktop or Documents folder. Then click Save and check whether the document saves correctly. Sometimes the problem is related to the permissions of the original folder, so changing the location can resolve the issue. Next, check whether the document is set to read only. Close Microsoft Word completely, then locate the document where it is saved. Right-click the document and select Properties. In the Properties window, look for the Read Only option. If it is checked, uncheck it. Then click Apply and select OK. After making this change, open the document in Microsoft Word again and try saving it. Removing the Read Only setting can resolve saving problems caused by restricted file permissions. Now let's check the Word add-ins. Open Microsoft Word and click File, then select Options. In the Word Options window, find and select Add-ins. At the bottom, look for the Manage drop-down menu and select COM Add-ins. Then click Go. A list of available add-ins will appear. Uncheck all of the add-ins listed and click OK. After that, restart Microsoft Word and try saving the document again. Disabling add-ins can help if one of them is interfering with the saving process. Each of these steps checks a different possible cause. Changing the file name can resolve file conflicts. Changing the location can help with folder permissions. Removing read-only can restore editing access. And disabling add-ins can prevent software interference. Try these solutions one at a time and check whether the document can be saved after each change. In many cases, a simple change to the file name or save location can solve the problem. And that's how you can fix Microsoft Word not saving files in Windows. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,